Good morning, fishermen. Sun's just coming up. Not a cloud in the sky. Yeah, it's cold too, hard frost. Let's go and see if we can get a fish, eh? The old magpies and birds are out, so we might be in with a bit of luck. Come along and have a nosy. Rightio, fishermen. We're into a fish. Sun's just coming up. Good hard, strong take. Doing a bit of spinning. I've been out for over a week. So we'll just take it easy. Sun's just coming up. It would have been fished over the weekend, of course. It's only a bubba, but it's a fish. Ground's a bit icy. Even the lake's frozen. Oh, look at that. A perfectly formed little fish. About a pound and a half. Stunning condition. Wild too. It's got all its fins. What a stunning little fish. Put him back where he came from, eh? I see. Go on.